Alright, OpenAI has just taken a giant leap with GPT-5. It's faster, smarter, and more capable than anything before. I will show you what's new, and we will even run some quick prompts so that you can see the differences in action. What is GPT-5? It's fifth generation of OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer. With better reasoning, memory, and multimodal understanding, which means text plus images plus code. It has got improved context length. It can handle longer conversations without forgetting. That's very important, right? More fact-aware and less prone to hallucinations. And that's another amazing feature. It's all optimized for complex, multi-step tasks. We are going to go into some of the prompts so that you can understand how exactly it's going to be very helpful for us. I've got some prompt cards for you, and it's going to be very helpful to understand the ability of GPT-5. The first one is the complex reasoning. So the prompt I'm issuing is plan a 7-day Euro trip for a family of 4, including budget, travel routes, and kid-friendly activities. Let's see how good GPT-5 responds to it. So it's going to give us better reasoning is what I trust will happen. You can see the practical and fun 7-day Europe itinerary is available with us, and step by step it has given very nice, fast, including budget. Very nicely done. Great, right? It is also asking you if it can create a visual map of the route and detail out by our family-friendly schedule. Let's go to the next one. Multi-step logic. Read this paragraph and turn it into a poem, then translate it into Spanish, and finally summarize it into one sentence. So I'm going to type a paragraph as well. Let me take some paragraph as this. India is a great country and Indians are contributing much to the growth of the world. We welcome all of you to India. Let's build a world more peaceful, a place to live. That's all. I've just given it, and see, it's giving a poem, it's giving a Spanish translation, followed by that one sentence summary. So it's amazing, right? Next. Alright, we are going to go with the next one. We are going to get the next prompt, data to insights. Analyze the sales data below and suggest 3 marketing actions to improve Q4 revenue. So that's what I'm going to give right now, and I've typed it already. I'm giving a sample data here, and all these will happen in seconds. You can see that here are the 3 data-driven marketing actions to improve the Q4 revenue based on the sales data provider. Very nice. Okay. Explain the key trends from this chart in simple terms for a 12-year-old. I'm going to get a chart ready as well, and we need to understand the key trends from the chart, and we will see how exactly it works. So here is the chart that I'm bringing into picture. So I'm pasting it here. Explain the key trends from this chart in simple terms for a 12-year-old kid. So I've given a chart there for population of Singapore and projection. So you can see that it's very nice, right? This chart is like a mirror showing Singapore's future population 2030. Boys on the left in blue and girls on the right in red. So very nice, amazing, and it's real fast. We'll ask the next question here. Write a short sci-fi story where AI saves the city from a natural disaster, and then create one catchy tagline for the story. So I've just given this as an input and see how exactly it works. Oh, nice, very nice. So all these features really make your GPT-5 an amazing tool. No doubt it's going to really make a lot of waves and changes, and it's going to be all positive. So just quickly to summarize this and to understand what exactly this brings you on the table, GPT-5 is not just another update. It's a serious step towards AI's ability to think, remember, and to create. What would you use it for? Please type it in the chat. I would be really happy to know what for you are going to use the GPT-5 for. It's going to be the future. We are going to get it used even better in the future. Thank you very much.